Hi, I'm Joel Pizzini, the winemaker for our family business, Pizzini Wines. This morning we're down here by the famed King River that borders our family vineyard. And we're here to talk about our Il Soffio Prosecco. Il Soffio is in ode of this amazing breeze that floats through the King Valley and pushes out all of the warm air that develops during the day. And without fail, it generally comes in at around 8 to 9 o'clock every night. The most important thing it does is cools the grapes down. And what that does, it slows down the ripening and allows the flavour development process to really start firing up. Now, because this wine had a little bit of this solids fermentation, which means that we fermented the wine with the sediment after we pressed, we get a lovely yeasty and bready brioche type note. Prosecco is also famous for the wisteria flower, so it's quite floral, lovely sherbet sort of smell. So it's beautifully textured, lovely fizzy, refreshing wine. Again, it's got really lovely lemon, limey, zesty acidity. And with most sparkling wines, the acidity is quite an important feature, that it's in balance, it's not too mouth puckering, and it's balanced with the sweetness. My favourite dish to enjoy our Soffio Prosecco with is my father Fred Pizzini's special fried calamari with ginger and Szechuan pepper. It's absolutely fantastic. Saluti.